Yeah, I'm feeling like a hip-hop legend when I'm stepping in the session. Only time I lift this mic's to be the best in my profession. Only time I see arrivals when I'm checking my reflection. Anytime I see my rival, I say, damn, that kid is handsome. I ain't never been no thug, I use this pencil as a weapon. And when I get to writing, you'll need medical attention. All these loyal listeners is what I measure my success in. But in the conversation, I don't ever get a mention. But it's cool, I pay my dues. And to my fans, I'm still that dude. I get no press, but I make my moves and I own my music, unlike you. And I seen a bunch of these rappers that seem to be bubbling faster, but they don't be stacking like Webby be stacking. I follow my pub and I'm masters. I'm doubling up while they hustling backwards. I'm just one of hundreds of rappers, but now I have carved my own lane that I'm living in. Brilliant, rugged, resilient, flipping middle fingers up to the system, so fuck your opinion. Sipping my whiskey with a little skinny bitty with a butt that's Brazilian, and got a pretty Sicilian up in my kitchen that's cooking and serving me chicken. And that's just perks of the job, I guess, but I digress, cause I am just so out of here that I'm Elon Musk in a full spacesuit with a flight to catch. You never seen a sight so fresh when I jump on stage and I do my thing. Built my castle, now I'm king, kiss the ring. Yeah, I'm feeling like a hip-hop legend. I've been underground for now, but shipping spreading. Maybe not the guy that they usually mention, but let them sleep.